It's reasonable to say that there are a lot of information sources out there nowadays. Everything is simply freely offered to you, be loads of different kinds of media that offer lots of varied information, and I'm one of them. This channel is designed to assist you in generating money as fast and easily as possible. If you've been a long-time subscriber to my channel, you already know that what I say is 100% accurate, authentic, and effective, and that will never change. Make sure to watch until the end to know this secret method in making money online. Now, let's get back to the video. I'm going to stick to my goal, so let me show you another brand new strategy that you can use to build an effective and strong source of revenue. There are many money-making channels out there, and each has its style, niches, and methods, but I want to tell you that you are in for a treat since this is all brand new and hot off the press. There's going to be one major website that I'll be introducing to you today that is honestly so fantastic that when I first learned about it, my mouth immediately dropped to the floor. So what's so great about this approach and where do I even begin? First and foremost, it is completely free. With the power of one single click, you can be successful in pursuing this strategy without expending a single penny. You can flip your life around, or more accurately, upside down, because you can finally reach financial freedom, which is truly amazing. This approach is also extremely accessible and handy since you may use it in its entirety anywhere in the world. Furthermore, this strategy can be done with any device in your arsenal, and there's no need to be concerned if you're a newbie because this method is ideal for you and anybody who has never made money online before. Now, be sure you stick with me until the very last second of the video to understand everything about this strategy. Never skip forward because you can lose out on some very important information that you need to know if you want to succeed at making money online. I'm not going to beat around the bush, so let's get right into the video with the first website I'm going to show you. This will be the major website that you'll be using to earn heaps of money, but how much money will you make? Well, it depends on how you're going to do it, but to give you an idea, you'll be earning roughly $900 each day and collecting it through PayPal, so make sure your PayPal account is set up and ready before you go ahead and apply this approach because that's where you'll get your money. Are you ready? If so, then without further ado, let's go to the main website for today's video, which is called creativelive.com. CreativeLive, as you can see, is a platform where you can accomplish what you love. But what exactly do they mean by this? As you can see right here, you can learn the skills you need to live your dreams and career, hobby, and life in general with CreativeLive. As you scroll down, you'll notice that this platform is the go-to community for over 10 million creators from all over the world, and it's also been a stable avenue for students to learn about various skills and crucial knowledge needed to keep going. First, you can learn real skills. Whether you need to change careers or learn a fast tip for your job, CreativeLive will provide you with the resources you need to succeed. Second, learn from the best by listening to what the world's best creators, entrepreneurs, and doers have to say. Lastly, this is a platform built by creators for creators. It houses excellent photographers, designers, entrepreneurs, writers, and doers who think that we all have a creative side. Feel free to scroll down and explore the website more to get a complete understanding of what they're about, but if you're in a hurry and don't want to read the whole thing, I've got you covered with a concise summary. CreativeLive offers a variety of classes that can be taken by anyone who wants to improve their skills or learn a new set of techniques. But wait, does that mean you'll have to pay for the classes? Yes, there is a fee for the classes to be taken, but the catch is that you won't be taking any of them. So, how are you going to go about doing this? You're probably wondering what you'll do with CreativeLive if you're not here to take classes. So, if you go all the way down to the bottom of the website, you'll notice this right here that says, Become an affiliate, just below the headline, Join us. I want you to click there, and you'll be sent to this page, where you'll learn all you need to know about how to use this website. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far, and if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Now, let's get back to the video. As you might have guessed from the name of the website you're led to, it's all about joining their affiliate program, the CreativeLive affiliate program. As they state right here, you can make money by linking your audience to outstanding content. Our affiliate partners provide an audience seeking creative education and the potential to make a profession from their skill. Ideal sites focus on online education, photography, music business, and training tools. This amazing statistic is right here on this page in a pretty big font, so there's no chance you missed it. 30%, that's it. You will get a massive 30% income share for new client sales. Now, that's a pretty good deal considering that some affiliate programs from other websites only pay out around 10 to 20% in commission revenue, but with Creative Live, you'll get 30%. Apart from the huge revenue share that you'll earn, you'll also be entitled to other benefits that will make you very rich. They have advanced reporting tools that offer high-end features for better monitoring and actively looking at your progress as you pursue this website. Furthermore, you have the opportunity to earn additional money on any purchases made by referred consumers within 30 days after the initial click. With all of these incredible advantages, there's no doubt about the affiliate program's brilliance, so let me guide you through how you can do it. Simply go to the classes page in Creative Live and you'll have access to numerous classes that you can freely promote and earn money for. Simply pick any one of these classes because they are all extremely valuable to anybody looking to acquire a new skill. Once you've decided on a class, simply click on it to obtain your unique affiliate link. For example, we're going to promote this time management class. You can learn more about the class so you know how to ask people to participate, and then after you're familiar with everything, you can prance away and get money as you begin to promote the class to the entire globe. I strongly advise you to step up and invite everyone you know, but if you think your social circle is insufficient to generate large sums of money, I have a secret for you. You can use your favorite social media sites like Facebook and Twitter to find people who might be interested in the classes you've chosen. We'll type in productivity classes on Facebook, because we chose a class on workflow and overall time management. On Twitter, simply search for how to manage time better and then reply to all the tweets with your affiliate link. You can also use Quora.com, the world's most popular public online forum. Simply navigate your search in their search box by typing in the same query on Twitter about how to manage time better, and you'll be taken to this website, where you can view a multitude of inquiries posed by thousands of individuals from all over the world. Now all you have to do is respond to any of these questions, give good and original advice, and after your remark, include your affiliate link, and the next thing you know, you've got a lot of money in your bank account. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.